What if every product in your store looked like this? Clean studio shot, consistent crops, products placed naturally in real-world scenes, on-model visuals, and even video, all ready for your PDP. Not just one listing, your entire catalog. Because this is where most stores actually are. Just a few images, and nothing that really drives conversion. So how do you go from a handful of shots to a complete PDP set across your entire catalog? Let's take a look. Start by selecting your products. Now, instead of choosing edits, just describe what you want. Create more PDP visuals. Now watch this. AI Match analyzes your images and groups them by image type and product category. So product-only bag images are grouped together and matched with the right bag recipes. For footwear, it matches images differently, with recipes for on-model visuals, indoor, and street-style scenes. Everything is organized automatically. So what do these recipes actually mean? A recipe is just a way to define what you want to create, from crops and resizing to on-model visuals, lifestyle scenes, and video. Let's take a look. Here's one, a simple product shot turned into a lifestyle scene. And this, placing the bag on a model with smart cropping built in. Now this one, even a lifestyle video with a bag on a model.
And you can always add more recipes manually. Here we're applying an apparel recipe for a clean headless crop, done automatically with uniform margins. And this, from a flat lay dress shot, you can generate a full on-model lifestyle image, placing the product naturally on a model. No photo shoot needed.
Once you're ready, just select the recipes you want and hit run. Now let's look at the results. You have a complete product set. Each recipe generates its own outputs, and you can pick exactly what you want to use. Once you're ready, save them as new assets or replace existing ones. They go straight back into your Shopify listing. There's a lot more you can do. Create your own recipes in our web app, or check out the overview to learn more.